Good day everyone and welcome to Cad-Cafe. On this tutorial we'll be going through the futures, alright, and specifically the extrude cut. So let's just head on to start a new part design. And I hope you've been following up on the previous tutorial. And like I keep on saying that you shouldn't forget to drop any comments, and if you're having issue, don't forget to just come drop it in the comment section. Alright, so let's just go ahead and just sketch on the front plane. But before that, let's just change our unit to mmgs. So we'll be using millimeters today. So let's sketch on the front plane, and so what we'll be sketching today, we'll be sketching a cup. Okay, so you're got in a circle. So let's head over to extrude it first. So uh, we have to extrude this, and then that's about 90 millimeters. Okay, that is okay. Let's just head on to sketch on the top plane, or on this plane. All right, so simply sketch on it, and just make it a circle also. All right, so hence we can use our extrude cut. Okay, so we head over to the feature and then click on the extrude cut, and then we won't just make it 90 millimeters. Okay, so we just no, we just up to vertex. Now mid plane won't give us what we want. So okay, let's just use blind, and then probably 80 millimeters. Okay, all right, yes. Okay, so you see that is a small mug. All right, for most of us, I like coffee, so this is could be used for your coffee. Let's just head over and change the appearance for you. Come back and then do some other stuff. Let's give it this texture. And then let's change it. Okay, this is better. Alright, that is much better. Or if you don't feel like that, let's just change it to something better. Or could we say organic? Alright, you can manage that. Okay, so All right, so that is our mock. All right, so and let's go back to edit the future. Okay, so let's just say you want to extrude it through, and that will be if you want it to cut through both sides. Okay, so two sides. All right, so but that's not what we want for now. We just want to go through all the options. Okay, so through all both sides. So let's just see what happens. See, same thing. So let's just go ahead and edit, and then go through the next one up to next. This would have been if we actually had another surface. Okay, so of which we don't have. Let's say another surface on top of this. I just want to extrude this. Okay, so you want to extrude part of the body or the sketch. Let's say assume over here we had a square and this was a circle. Okay, already extruded. So you want to just extrude this one. So you extrude here up to the next. Okay, and then up to vertex. Please select the vertex. So there's no vertex. So up to surface. There is no surface. Up to body. No. Mid plane. Probably yes. So you see mid plane actually starts from the mid plane, not actually everything. Okay. Right. So see that. Okay. So let's just go ahead and then uh, delete that and then probably just yeah extrude this and then we draft it in Word. All right. You can actually draft it outward. All right. See that. So in this case, you want it inward. Okay. So and then make it both direction. So one is inside and the other side. Let's extend this one out. Okay. So see what we got. And then try to let's see if we can make this a thin feature. You can apply a thin feature to it. Okay. All right. It's not possible. So we're just gonna go ahead and then sketch again. Go ahead and sketch on this plane. Circle still, and then extrude cut. Okay, so let's just try again up to next. So you see, that works perfectly. All right, so up from here to here. All right, so that's it. So and let's just go ahead and edit that. Yes, you notice that up to next is actually cut off the other part. Okay, so you're extruding it to this part. So definitely, since it's not thin, okay, this is the extruded part. Okay, so you to cut it off naturally, right? So that is that. So let's just go ahead and then check out other features up to vertex C. All right, so up from this point to the next to the vertex. All right, and I'm sure you know what vertex is. Okay, so so let's try the next one is up to surface. Select surface. Let's select surface. Yeah, this is a surface. We want it to stop. Oh, this is an edge. Let's first complete it. All right. So you see that. So in that case, you have to select the surface and you want it to stop. So you can select it. That means to come down here. Uh, uh, oh, sorry. Let's just select here. Okay. Yeah. So you see that. Okay. So it's cut for all to this surface. All right. See that. But that's not what I still want. Okay. So all I want to do is to just go through all the features. Okay. So next one is up to offset from surface. Okay. So from surface to this, you have to select the face here. So you want it to be this face. See that? So see that? So from this surface offset. All right. So the next thing is the next one is up to body. Which body? This one. Let's see. All right. So you see that? So this is the body I want it to extrude to. So okay. So it will actually stop somewhere. Just on the body. Okay. And then the next one is mid plane. Yes, mid plane. So you see that? She actually stops halfway of this. All right. So that's all for extruder cut. So now you notice that most of these tools are uh almost the same, like through all and through. All right. So now this is at the beginning we had another extension of drawing here. Okay. Let's just go ahead and then let's just go ahead and then just sketch on this. Let's go ahead and sketch on this. All right. So let's just do this center and see, and then extrude. It's just 20, 40. It's okay. Then, all right. So let's go ahead to this. Go back to this cut extruded. Yes. So mid plane. So let's just yeah. So it's a mid plane now. Okay. Let me sketch. Let me further extend mid plane. Okay. Something is wrong somewhere. It's supposed to. Okay. Sorry. I should not use through all, but yes. All right. Maybe it's because I actually just inserted this right now. Okay. But so that's basically all you need to know about how to use this future extruded cut. Several other ones that are actually almost similar. All right, so you just go through it and then use the one that actually will give you what you want, and you'll not affect your sketch later. So your drawing should be as simple as possible. so it won't affect you later on. Thank you very much and do have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like or comment if you have any issue, and don't forget to subscribe as well. Thank you.